Hello viewers and welcome back to Koiki'S TV. If you're not subscribed to Koiki'S TV, please what are you waiting for? Make sure you subscribe now and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so every time we publish a new video, you'll be the first to get notification. On Koiki'S TV, we publish a lot of interesting videos almost daily, so you sure want to be a part of us. Yoruba secessionist agitator Sunday Adeyemo, otherwise known as Sunday Igboho, has distanced himself from a statement that angry Yoruba youth would invade the palace of the Alake of Yorubaland, Oba Gbadebo. Igboho's spokesman Olayomi Koiki had, in a viral video, threatened the Oduduwa agitators would soon attack the monarch in his palace.
Let's send a message back to the Alake of Yorubaland. Orúkọ tèmi ni Olayomi Koiki. Orí tiyín la máa ti kọ́kọ́ fàgbọn. Èmi ni mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Tẹ́ bá rò pé n ta gbé dání child's play là ń ṣe. A fẹ́ tú àwọn èèyàn sílẹ̀ tán. Chinchini ló kù. Ẹ mọ̀ pé water pass gàrí nígbà tá bá yabo palace yín. Ẹ rò pé rí là ń ṣe. A ti fẹ́ débì kan.
But Igboho's senior advisor on media and publicity, Dapo Salami, said the statement was made solely by Koiki. The Alake of Yorubaland, Oba Gbadebo, had last week warned that it was the best interest of all Nigerians to remain one, regardless of the current challenges. The monarch said Nigeria could not afford civil war, nor could any nation absorb the huge numbers of Nigerians that could be displaced by wild-scale violence. Igboho's senior advisor on media and publicity said, Chief Sunday Igboho has nothing to do with this declaration by Koiki, though Koiki is Igboho's spokesman, but on this particular one, Chief is not in support. The Alake of Yorubaland is a major leader in Yorubaland, whom we honor and have so much reverence for. Igboho will never say he wants to go and invade his palace. Koiki came in from United Kingdom, so he does not understand some things. We are not for violence. We are not going to invade any Oba's palace. We respect them all. They are our fathers and we will never disrespect them. So there you go. What do you think about this statement from Chief Sunday Igboho's senior special advisor on media and publicity? These are quite some interesting comments. Anyways, I'd like to hear your comments on the comment section below and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to Koiki'S TV.